Hi loves, it's Bashira, registered dietitian and owner of Be Nutrition LLC. And I am on a mission to help you finish this year, get through the holidays with more energy, feeling better than you ever have before. I've put together a free 14-day challenge, and I don't even really know why I'm calling it a challenge because it's not really. I'm giving you the tools to help you remove any barriers to living well and living your best life this holiday season in good health. So let's not even focus on the word challenge. Let me tell you what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 2 weeks of meals. So I have put together meal plans, 2 weeks worth of recipes, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, taking the guesswork out of what to cook, what to prepare, what to eat. So removing that barrier. You're also gonna get 2 live Q&A sessions with me to answer any of your nutrition and wellness questions. I'm also giving you tips on how to navigate the holidays, holiday parties, holiday travel, reducing stress. We're gonna talk about all of those things. I also have fitness professionals in the challenge group as well, and they're gonna do some live workouts with you on Facebook Live. We're also gonna have meal prep planning parties together where we put meals together on Facebook Live. So, giving you what to cook, and I'm also gonna help you to do it, all right? If I could come into your kitchen, I would do that too, but I can't. So, I do need you to commit to a couple of things, right? And here's the thing, what I want you to realize through this challenge that I'm calling it is that living well doesn't take fad diets, it doesn't take restrictions, it doesn't take you feeling miserable and hating what you're eating. It just takes simple steps and a little bit of commitment on your part. Simple steps every day is how we get to living a healthy life that we love, that we enjoy, that we have fun doing, okay? So that's all I want you to do. So what are you committing to? You're committing to cook 1 meal a week. 1 meal, and we're gonna do it together in Facebook Live. You're also committing to getting an exercise 30 minutes at least twice a week. That's it, 30 minutes twice a week. You're committing to drink water during this time period. So at least 64 ounces of water. I don't care how you drink the water, if it's flavored, we just want you drinking more fluids. And then lastly, I want you to get rest. So I want you to get at least 7 hours of sleep a night. That's it, it's simple. I'm giving you these tools that I normally charge people a lot for. This program is worth over $1,000 and when I work with clients one-on-one or in small groups. I'm giving it all to you for free so that you can finish this year strong. So join me, go to my website, benutritionco.com, click on group programs, you'll find the link to register, or you can also find the link in my profile. You deserve this. This is my gift to you for this holiday season. Join me, sign up now. The challenge starts Sunday, December 2nd. Don't wait, run, sign up, go now.